Okay, we want to create as fast as we can a test with missing words. So let's go into the internet and let's go, for example, let's take this definition of an apple. Let's copy that and let's go into our Python file and let's make a text with this definition here of an apple, and let's take something that we want the pupils to guess, that is the words here and these words here. Let's say just three words inside of this, and let's call this mist, and let's go create a multi-line here for these two variables. Now let's define our print test, and in this one we want to put text and method. Let's use the same words for internal variable, and let's now for first of all we are going to create from method.split lines, and let's divide this this multi-line. We transform this into a list with this splitting by line this multi-line and multi-line string. Now we are going to create this text equal text dot replace every word. So for missing word, for each missing word in method, and miss it from 1 to the end, because we want to exclude this first line here, because writing it this way we have a new line here, and this it will create an empty item in the list. So we want to avoid this, putting this square bracket and starting from the one element number 1 and not from the element number 0, that is this one empty here. So we are gonna replace what? We're gonna replace the each one of these words, that is Asia, America, and Greek, each one of these words with just this underscore and the space multiplied for the length of this of each words. So for len w, and so that we have as many underscore for each letter. Then we're gonna return this variable, and at the end we are going to print what? The result of this function, print test, that returns a text without some words replaced by, okay. And so we're gonna print test, and we're gonna pass text, and we're gonna pass missed, that is this and this. So let's see if you got any mistake here, something wrong. W is not defined. In fact, well, let's call this one word instead of M. Okay, there it is. An apple is sweet in Central Asia, in America, and North America. America is repeated 2 times here. So if we don't want this, we want just the first one to be replaced, let's put a comma 1 here. Let's run it again, and you see in North America now, in the second will be, so America will be substituted just 1 times, not twice, or Europe, what it was, or Asian, I don't remember. And so each there are just 3 words to substitute as this. If you wanted to substitute all the words, you just have to leave this, or just two words, you just have to put two in this. And so that's all, and that's how you can create easily a test with missing words without having to go and manually replace them. Think of about much longer text. Will be very tedious to put to substitute all the words and to have to count the letters in it. As you can see here, we got Asia, and okay. And if you don't want this, you could if you don't want to suggest how many letters are there in the test, you just can put something different without the length of the word, so you can modify everything. You could add the suggestion of the first letter, the first and the second letter, and also some random letters inside of the words if you want. And we will maybe see this in another video if someone is interested in it. And so that's all. This is just the fastest way to make this kind of test. You just copy and paste test here, put the copy all the words that you want to hide in here, and that's pretty all. Then copy and paste these in words are the things that will transform it in HTML file, and so that you can see it in a browser and print it from there, transform it in a PDF file, whatever you want. You can make some random way to substitute the words, so that all the tests are different with different words to be substituted, and so on. Thank you.